solidifystrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Friday, February 7th. We have a pretty busy day coming up, starting at 9:30 GMT when we have economic data coming out from the United Kingdom, trade balance, manufacturing production, and industrial production. Then at 11 o'clock GMT we have German industrial production, which could put some volatility into the euro. Then the major event of the day is at 1:30 GMT. We have Canadian unemployment coming out, but most investors are going to be focusing on the United States non-farm payrolls, which are released at that point, as well as the United States unemployment rate. Unemployment is an important factor for Fed decisions, and after last month's disappointing results in the non-farm payrolls, investors are probably going to be focusing and hoping for a better result today. There's also a host of other economic unemployment data coming out from the United States at the same time. And then at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we have GDP data coming out from the United Kingdom. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 rose significantly yesterday. It was up by 1.1% yesterday, coming off the bottom of this long-term trend line since July. The upwards movement continued through the Asian markets, with most Asian markets up. China, however, was the exception. It was the first day of trading since the Chinese Lunar New Year, and it dropped by just marginally 0.2%. And going into the session today, S&P 500 futures are down by 0.2% as well. The euro had a pretty strong jump yesterday. This is in response to comments by Mario Draghi, the president of the ECB, following the ECB policy decision meeting, in which they said that the bank does not see it likely that there will be deflationary pressures within the eurozone, which means that it's unlikely the ECB will continue to drop its interest rates or be more accommodative. It provides strength to the euro, and it's now trading above support resistance level here, which we have at 135.80. Our next level of resistance would be 136.50. The euro is trading in a somewhat downward channel here, so we could be looking at the euro pushing up towards this top in the short term. And if not, we have support still at 135.35. Moving over to the pound, it continued to trade pretty much sideways yesterday despite the Bank of England policy decision. It's currently trading just above support here at 103.30. It's at 163.30. It's at 163.50. Our next resistance is at 164.30. If this level weren't to hold, we have support at 162.50. The yen the dollar-yen pair continues its slow trek upwards. This is yen weakness, basically. It's just below resistance here at 102.30. If resistance holds, we have support at 101.30, and then after that we have our next level of resistance at 103.30. And finally, we have gold, which is virtually unchanged yesterday. It's still trading between a range of 1,240 and 1,272. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.